Hi, it's Wendy at the library. We're going to be making the sand art in a jar. When you get your kit, you'll get a little plastic ball with a cover on it, along with a plastic funnel, and a little set of a variety of colors of sand for your sand art. I've already started one here, so I'm going to turn my camera down to let you see what I've got going. I have this little funnel. When you open these containers especially, they're a little hard, so be very careful when you open them. But your funnel, when you pour it in, it lets the sand pour in really good. And if you want sand to come more towards one side, tip your funnel a little bit so it points this way. Then when I pour in the yellow, it will hopefully fill in that side. Whoops, got a little on my counter. And I can even make this, there we go. Now very carefully, I'm gonna let it go. I don't wanna bang this bottle now, because if I bang it, the sands will kind of settle down and some of the colors might get mixed. I'm going to gently turn it. I think I need some black over here on this corner, this corner, it's a circle, over on this side. So I'm gonna pour some black in and let that fall in. I'm even tilting my ball a little bit. Not much, because when I tilted, actually the yellow came this way a little bit. I don't want that to happen. I'm going to put the rest of my orange in. I like the orange. And tip it to this side. There we go. Now I'm going to coat these three colors with my pink. I have a lot of pink. And when I pour the pink in, I'll keep my ball straight and just let the pink go in. I can direct my funnel a little bit. But as the pink goes on top of it, it holds those other colors right down in place. There we go. I think I need a little more. And there we go. And that will help it on their sides. I don't know if you can see. We've got some mountains going. See, we've got waves of color in there. But the pink on top of that is holding it pretty steady. So there we go. Now I'm going to add a new color again. Oh yeah, those are all the colors for the different kits, so you never know what you're going to get. Here we go. Let's pour some yellow all along the side. Oops. You have to be careful. I just poured it off the edge of my funnel. And don't want to... There we go, over there. And I'm just turning my funnel a little bit as it pours in. Now I'm holding my ball straight, and I'm going to tap the top with my fingers. I hold the ball down, and that helps the sand to settle, but it doesn't shake it all up because we want to keep those fine layers in there. I'm going to pour the rest of my black in. Maybe I'll get a little streak of black here. We don't know. Okay, what I'm going to do is hold my ball, hold it still, and tap it down. Oh yeah, there's going to be some black on this side. That'll be great. Now, whoops, my funnel for my pink. Now you might have way more sand than you need for your ball, or you may be cutting it close and it may just fill it up with only a little left over. But these four colors should be enough to fill this ball. Oh, I keep stirring it down in there because it's pretty full now. All right, now I'm going to take the top of my funnel and put it in the middle and just push it to the sides inside the sand, because it's high enough now that I can just make sure that the sand's being pushed all the way to the sides. Now I'm going to add yellow in the middle, a little bit at a time because it will fill up, and a little bit more. I want to go right up to the very tippity top. So even if I overfill it, I can brush it off later. And here I'm going to push that down in so I have a little bit more room. And the fuller that it is, if it's a really tight squeeze when you put your cover on, it will hold your sand in place. But with the sand, you have to remember that if you shake it, you're going to mix it all up. So don't shake it. And here we go. I'm going to put this cover on. Nice and tight. And there we go. Oh, I got a little bit of mixing in there. You can see the black mix around. I like the orange. But so there's your sand art. You could put it up on your windowsill or on a counter, and it's just fun. It's just fun to play with designs and try to get little mountains in there. So hope you have fun. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.